just want to wish you a very warm welcome to the Food Bank Leadership Institute 2023. After 4 years, we are finally able to be together here in person. So welcome to all of you.
Food banks are the most efficient way to feed the hungry. And food banks don't just feed hungry, but they play important roles in the community.
La alimentación es la base desde la que parten muchísimas problemáticas.
Not only that, but also addressing the huge food waste issue that we have.
Food waste, food loss can account for 10% of greenhouse gas emissions.
Y como lo sabemos hoy, los sistemas alimentarios se están viendo afectados por el fuerte impacto del cambio climático en ellos.
Food banks have been solving an environmental problem forever.
When you add on inflation to the war in Ukraine, still the impacts of COVID-19, you want to invest in entities that are able to actually have impact immediately. You can't get better than a food bank.
FBLI meetings are very key to the development of a food bank.
Food bankers come together, they get to know each other, they get to know their stories because every country has a different situation.
And there are different practices across the world which we get to hear, which we can learn and take it back to our country.
To scale up learning and innovation, and also for food banks to know that they're not alone. There's something to be said for community that is encouraging.
Cada vez que participo en uno de estos encuentros, ratifico que el mundo de los bancos de alimentos es mi pasión.
This experience just makes us food bankers and food bank leaders think bigger.
Y además podemos trascender con el trabajo colaborativo para impactar en muchas personas.
I'm probably the most optimistic about the ability to impact hunger now, even though the challenges are great, than probably, I have been in many years.
People power food banks, and people also power the Global FoodBanking Network. I think about the tireless work of inspiring local leaders that every day are working to deliver food in their communities. And we are so grateful for many people that bring their talents, their time, and their funds to make our work possible.